Shut up.
Please. Let's maintain silence for now.
You're an idiot.
I believe there may have been a misunderstanding.
Get lost.
Could you please excuse yourself?
What's wrong with you?
Is everything all right? You seem a bit upset.
Stop being so stupid.
Let's try to approach this differently.
You're such a jerk.
I think we may have different perspectives on this.
Go away.
Could you please give me some space for now?
I hate you.
I'm feeling upset by what happened.
You're worthless.
I believe your actions may need some reconsideration.
Screw you.
I'm feeling frustrated about this situation.
You're a moron.
Let's try to understand each other's perspectives better.
Get out of here.
Could you please excuse yourself from this conversation?
You're so annoying.
I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed by this situation.
I don't care about you.
I think we may have different priorities at the moment.
Shut your mouth.
Could we please have a moment of silence?
You're such a pain.
I'm feeling a bit stressed right now.
I can't stand you.
I think we may need some time apart to cool down.
You're a mess.
I'm feeling concerned about your well-being.
You're a failure.
I think we may need to explore different strategies for success.
You're so lazy.
I think we could improve our productivity with a different approach.
You're pathetic.
I believe there may be a better way to handle this situation.
You're a disaster.
I think we could use some improvement in our planning.
You're clueless.
Let's try to understand each other's perspectives better.
You're hopeless.
I believe we can find a solution if we work together.
You're so incompetent.
Let's see if we can find a better way to approach this.
You're a disappointment.
Let's discuss how we can move forward and work towards a solution.
You're such a burden.
I understand you're going through a tough time, and I'm here to support you.
You're so irritating.
I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed, and I could use some space right now.
You're always causing problems.
It seems like there might be some misunderstandings. Let's try to address them together.
You're making everything worse.
I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. Can we discuss how we can improve the situation?